Namaste, dear readers. Today we will be chanting the Tulasi Stava from Brahmavaivarta Purana. This is a conversation between Narada and Narayana Rishi. Narada Uvacha Kim Dhyanam Stavanam Kim Va Puja Vidhikramam Tulasyascha Mahabhaga Tanme Vyakhyatumarhasi. Narayana Uvacha Antarhitayam Tasyam Cha Gatva Cha Tulasi Vanam Haris Sampujya Tushtava Tulasim Virahaturaha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Vrindarupascha Vrikshascha Yadaikatra Bhavantihi Vidurbudhastena Vrindam Matpriyam Tam Bhajamyaham. Pura Babhuva Ya Devi Hyadau Vrindavane Vane Tena Vrindavani Khyata Tam Saubhagyam Bhajamyaham. Asankheshu cha Vishweshu Pujita Ya Nirantaram Tena Vishwapujitaakhyam Jagat Pugyam Bhajamyaham. Asankhyani cha Vishwani Pavitrani Yaya Sada Tam Vishwapavanim Devim Virahena Smaramyaham. Devanatushthah Pushpanam Samuhena Yaya Vina Tam Pushpasaram Shuddham Cha Drashtumichchami Shokatah. Vishve Yat Prapti Matrena Bhaktyanando Bhaved Dhruvam. Nandini Tena Vikhyata Sa Prita Bhavita Hime. Yasya Devyastula Nasti Vishveshu Nikhileshu Cha Tulasi Tena Vikhyata Tam Yami Sharanam Priye. Krishna Jivana Rupaya Shashvat Priyatama Sati Tena Krishna Jivaniti Mama Rakshatu Jivanam. Ityevam stavanam kritva tatra tasthau Ramapati Dadarsha Tulasim Sakshat Pada Padmena Tam Satim. Rudatim Abhimanena Maninim Mana Pujitam Priyam Drishtva Priyashighram Vasayamasa Vakshasi. Bharatyagnyam Grihitva Cha Swalayam Cha Yayau Harihi Bharatya Saha Tatpritim Karayamasa Satvaram. Varam Vishnur Dadau Tasyai Vishwapujya Bhaveti Cha Shirodharya Cha Sarvesham Vandya Manya Mameti Cha. Vishnor Varena Sa Devi Paritushta Babhuvaha Saraswati Tam Aslishya Vasayamasa Sannidhau. Lakshmir Ganga Sasmita Tam Samaslishya Cha Narada Griham Praveshayamasa Vinayena Satim Tada. Vrindam Vrindavanim Vishwapavanim Vishwapujitam Pushpasaram Nandinim Cha Tulasim Krishna Jivanim. Yetannamashtakam Chaitat Stotram Namartha Samyutam Yah Pathettam Cha Sampujya Soshwamedhapalam Labhet. Kartiki Purnimayam Cha Tulasya Janma Mangalam Tatra Tasyascha Puja Cha Vihita Harina Pura. Tasyam Yah Pujayet Tam Cha Bhaktya Cha Vishwapavanim Sarva Papadvinirmukto Vishnulokam Sagacchati. Kartike Tulasi Patram Vishnave Yodadati Cha Gavamayuta Danasya Phalama Apnoti Nishitam. aputro labhate putram priyahino labhet priyam bandhuhino labhet bandhum स्तोत्र स्मरण मात्रतः रोगी प्रमुच्यते रोगात् बद्धो मुच्येत बन्धनात् भयान् मुच्येत भीतस्तु पापान् मुच्येत पातकी इत्येवं कथितं स्तोत्रं ध्यान पूजा विधिं शृणु. The Palashruti says, those who recite this stotra that is made of 8 names along with the verses explaining the meaning of it, Namartha Samyutam, those devotees will attain the benefit equivalent to that of performing an Ashwamedha Yaga, which is a great yajna which is performed by kings. In Kartika Purnima, full moon day of Kartika month, is the birth of Tulasi. On that occasion, doing puja of Tulasi has been ordained by Lord Vishnu. Whoever does that puja and worships her with devotion shall be freed of all sins and shall attain the abode of Lord Vishnu. In the month of Kartika, whoever offers a leaf of Tulasi to Lord Vishnu will attain the religious merit of gifting 10,000 cows to the nobles. This is also great punya. Punya equal to this punya of gifting 10,000 cows are attained by the devotees who offer one Tulasi leaf to Lord Vishnu during this month. Those who do not have children will attain children. Those who do not have wife will be blessed with a good wife. Those who do not have relatives and friends will gain true relatives and friends just by the mere remembrance of this stotra, says the Palashruti. A sick person will be relieved of his diseases, and an imprisoned person or a person afflicted by bondages and chains will be freed from those bondages. A frightened devotee will be freed from his fear, and a devotee with sins will be relieved of sins. Narayana Rishi says, thus the stotra has been told to you. You listen further to the dhyana, puja, etc. Thus ends this stotra. Thank you for listening.